Hi, good morning. Yesterday I shared a poem with you that I had written, and today I have another poem that I wrote that I would like to share with you. This poem is called Meeting Nicholas, and this is the poem I wrote about when my youngest brother was born. His name is Nicholas. So I told you, every author has, something that inspired them, a reason that they write something. So uh, this was when my little baby brother was born, and so when he was born, I was about 5 years old, so just little younger than you guys. And I remember, I already had one brother, and my other brother Mitchell, he's 2 years younger than me, and then we were both going to become big brothers when my brother Nicholas was born. But I remember being, really excited that we were getting another little brother, and just it was an exciting time for all of us. And so this is just one of those really good memories that I have. Even though I was very young, it's a memory that I have and that I always think about. So this is the poem that I wrote from the first time when we got to go see our new little baby brother. So you can listen. Meeting Nicholas. Dad ushered my brother and I through the cold, hollow hallways. We longed to see Mom and the 9-month miracle. He had just arrived as the sun rose on that 25th day in February. We entered the cold, sterile room, greeted by Mom and the joyous cries of life. Thick black locks curled upon his head, skin so soft, smooth like cream. He was pink and red, shades of life. Here he is, our new playmate. No more a set of four, now one whole hand. All right, so thank you for listening. And I was thinking that maybe you guys could write either a poem or a story today about a special person in your life. Maybe when you get to meet someone very special. It could have been a little baby brother or sister, or it could be meeting a new friend. I just thought maybe you could think about somebody special in your life that the first time that you got to meet them and what that was like. Okay. So there's your challenge for the day, and I look forward to seeing the things that you guys create. Thanks a lot.